Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is a little bit different from what I usually post. It's going to be my favourite products at the moment. So whether that's body products, hair products, my face products, that sort of thing. I just thought I would share like the tips and the things I use, just so if there's anything you've been curious about, this is the video for you. So I love watching these videos because you can get really good little like ideas out of them and things to try. So I thought, why not make one myself? So that being said, I'm going to jump right to it and thank you for watching. So I'm going to start off with the non-face and hair stuff, just because there's not many and I just thought it would be easier that way. So the first thing I'm loving at the moment is these hand creams. So these are by a make called Fika, and I hadn't really heard of them much before, but they got recommended to me and I thought I'd give them a go because I suffer like in the cold my hands go really dry and in the heat my hands go really dry. There's just no winning basically. So I thought I would try something a bit like better than, you know, you get all the fragranced ones, which can be quite like harsh to the hand. So I wanted something really like sensitive and intensive for my hands, and this is working perfectly. So you don't need much, and I just use that, and it just sort of gets rid of like the dry skin or like the scaly effect on my hands, and it just makes them look really soft. I'm going to hide my nails because they're a mess at the moment because I've been on holiday, so they're all like, I don't know, I get funny on planes, I bite all my nails off. Might just be me. But yeah, so that's the hand cream, and it also came with like it's called hand peeling, but it doesn't like, it's not like, you know, when you cover your hands in glue in school and you like peel it off. It's literally like a soap, or at least that's how I've been using it. And it just sort of like makes sure your hands have nothing on them before you apply the hand cream. So really loving these, and no, I've noticed a big difference in my hands. They're like so soft, like straight away after using it. So I'll link those down below. I should have a link for them. But yeah, just really loving those. And then the next thing, non-hair or face related, is this Boots own brand body lotion. So I mean, it might just be me being a student, so I've been trying a lot of like the cheaper brands and like the own brands, but oh my god. So I bought this at the airport because I only had hand luggage and I was like, oh, I need like some after sun, but didn't want to pay the price of after sun, so I just got body lotion, and it's like got cocoa butter in it, and oh my god, it smells so nice, and I literally just have been smothering myself in it. So it's literally like $1.99 from Boots. Love it. So the next stuff I'm going to show you is what I use on my hair. So I use one product on my hair. I wash it with basic like shampoo and conditioner. I tend to stay far away from like known brands. I'll use like the simple stuff, or like own brand ones. I've been loving Waitrose at the moment. It's got like no fragrance, it's just really nice, and it just doesn't like, it just makes my hair go really nice, because the issue I have is with like Tresemme and like brands like that, they make my scalp really itch, and I don't know if that's because I've just got a sensitive scalp, so I just steer clear of them. And to be honest, like normal ones, they work just as well for me. Like I don't actually find a difference. Like obviously deep conditioners are nice as a little treat, but my hair doesn't need it as their every wash thing, because my hair doesn't require much TLC. Like I only need to wash it like once a week, that sort of thing, and it tends to be quite happy, and I just need to wash it because it gets so knotty, like oh my god, because I never brush my hair, so in the shower I'm just finger brushing it. But yeah, so this is my hair with nothing on, straight out of the shower. So when I say straight out of the shower, I have towel dried it a bit, but just looks like that. So you can probably see as it's drying, it's starting to frizz up a little bit. Not much, but it does grow a lot when it dries. So I've been loving Boots Essentials Curl Cream. So the tubs are just like this. I literally have a tub for every single bag. I am like loving this stuff, because I used to, in order to define my curls, just get like a dollop of conditioner and just run that through my hair, and that would be me done. But this stuff, it's $1.99 for a pot, it smells lovely, and it basically does the same job as the conditioner without making my hair go solid. So that was the issue I found with doing, just leaving loads of conditioner on. My hair would just react so like weird to it, and it would just go really hard, and you could literally like snap it, like not snap the hair off, but you get what I mean. So all I do is I put like a dollop on my hand. Like I'm not shy with this stuff, I'll put a lot on my hair, and I just run it through. I try not to put too much near my scalp just because I don't want it to look greasy. I've never had that issue with this stuff, but it's always a scare. So if I shuffle back a bit, so that's it all over my curls this way. And if you're like pulling and like doing a lot of it on it, it might stretch out your curls a bit, so you just need to do the good old scrunch trick, just like that. And it just helps to, especially when my hair is mid-drying, it will just help to keep everything where it should be and looking nice. So I literally live by this stuff. And I think I bought it for the first time at an airport, the same time I bought this Boots own brand, and I saw it and I was like, oh, you know what, I'll give it a go. And never looked back. So I don't know if you can see a big difference, but that's the side that's got it on, that one hasn't. So you can just see it just gets rid of all the frizz and just completely defines it without, you know, like being too heavy to lose the curls or anything like that. So no, really, really love this stuff. So I'm going to go pop it on the other side and then move on to my face. So that's my hair all sorted. So it should, once it dries now, it should theoretically dry really nice and like with nice bouncy curls that aren't frizzy curls, which I think is the nicest way to wear my hair. But yeah, so moving on to the face. My face routine is pretty simple. I don't use tons of products, they don't cost me a lot, and it stayed the same for quite a few months now, so hopefully it's doing something right, but I might change my mind in a few months. But nonetheless, so the first thing I do is I moisturize my face, whether this is before I go to bed or in the morning. Like I use the moisturizer as primer, that sort of thing, but I use these little like tester pots from the Body Shop, so they just write on the bottom what it is, and it's a great way like to test a product before you buy the big bottle, without spending the money on something you're not sure you're gonna like, because the Body Shop do beautiful products, but they're expensive, so they do a really good thing where you can test in a little pot, which is enough for like a good few days, like even like a week or so, without having to spend any money, which is great. And these are also perfect for traveling. So if you've got a holiday planned, just go in and get your favorite ones put into little tester pots, which are ideal. I'm not like saying get all your products in tester pots, because that wouldn't be very fair to Body Shop, but it's a great way to test the product out before you buy the big pot. And they're really handy to put in a handbag, like that little pot there, like if I've got like some dry skin or something like that and I want to apply some foundation or concealer, like I want to put something on it first before putting that on, otherwise it goes all dry and flaky and bleh. So really recommend doing that, and Body Shop do lovely products, so why not try them all? Moving on, so for my base face, I am literally addicted to these Maybelline like eye eraser sticks. So they just have like these little sponges on the top, and you basically dot it all over your face. So I currently have no makeup on my face. I've literally just got some mascara on and lipstick, because when I come fresh out the shower, I don't want to instantly block all my pores with concealer. Like that's just asking for spots basically. So I just moisturize my face and I'm good to go. But yeah, no, this stuff, it's so light and just so easy, because I don't actually wear foundation. Like I own a pot of it, but it's probably gone off because I don't think I've used it within 6 months of me opening it, so I probably need to check that, because makeup has expiry dates, like who knew? But yeah, love this one. You can get it in like pretty much any like Superdrug or Boots you go into, or look online, it's everywhere. And then to set that, so if I'm quite shiny, like that's the thing, if I'm not wearing any makeup, I do have a little shine to my face. I don't know if you can see it on camera. I'm moving like that so you can see like the shine line on my forehead, but this is just the Natural Collections like matte press powder, and I get it in the colour Warm. They do have a lighter shade, so if you're really pale, like check out their powders, because like, you know, I'm fairly pale, so if you're even more pale than me, like you can get powder that works. But it's just really nice and goes on really easy, and it doesn't look cakey, which I literally hate, so really like that. And it's $1.99, like win-win. I'm pretty sure all my makeup would cost me like my everyday face, not like my eyeshadow palettes or that, I could get for like 25 quid, if that, because that's like £8 or £9, so. But nonetheless, and then for my mascara, so I've used like expensive mascaras, really cheap mascaras, and if I'm honest, they're all just like, I've never found one that I'm like, oh my god, this is the mascara for me. Like all of them I need to like blink like 60 billion times to get it where I want it, and it's just like, why would I, apart from the only thing I like I think if I knew more about the ingredients in the cheaper ones, I'd probably be all for the more expensive ones. But you see all the scandals with like the expensive companies still filling their mascaras with shit, so why bother? Like at the moment, I'm loving my £2.50 Primark mascara, which my latest one is the false lash effect one. So I've tried like their Lash-tastic one and like loads of them, and so far I'm pretty much loving them all. Like I'm wearing it at the moment. It's not hard to get on, you just sort of like blink a few times and it does the job. So when I don't like want to wear false eyelashes or anything like that, this is just perfect for day-to-day wear. So yeah, and it doesn't break the bank, which is ideal. So I can't find a link for that one because Primark still haven't, you know, jumped on the bandwagon of online shopping. Could you imagine online shopping at Primark? Like, oh my god, the deliveries would cost so little and you'd get so much, it would be crazy. But yeah, so if you have a Primark near you, just pop over and they'll have these like all in their makeup section. And I do recommend giving it a go, like I really like mine. So moving on to lipsticks. So recently I'm loving the nudist colour of the, oh, I don't know how to pronounce it, it's like bourgeois, I don't know. But they look like this, and the spelling, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on the bottle. Bourgeois, I'll write it on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. But it's sort of like a pinkier nude, which is really nice, because I'm all about sort of like, I'm either a nude type person or I want bright red. Like, I don't have an in-between, so they're like the lipsticks I love. And then the one I'm wearing currently, which is my easy one, is just Velvet Teddy from MAC, but I'm definitely in need of a new one. Like, that is it fully. But it's just so hard to justify £18 for a single lipstick. So if anyone knows a really good Velvet Teddy dupe, let me know, because I'm still addicted to it. It was like that, you know, year 11 trend that I never grew out of anyway. So love that. And then my red lipstick is just from Lime Crime, and it's my fancy lipstick. It's so red, like so red. And my camera makes it look orange. It's really funny when I wear it. But yeah, so I'm pretty sure that's all my products I wanted to share with you guys today. So I hope this was somewhat helpful. If it was, great. If you want me to test any products out, like especially like curl creams, do let me know, because obviously I've got quite a lot of curls to test it on. And I'm interested to know if there's other products out there that work. Like, I've tested quite a few, like I've done a lot with like John Frieda and things like that, and for the price you pay, they don't give me the results I want. So I was really happy when I found a $1.99 one that does like a big amount of the frizz goes with it, so it's not a bad product. So if you have curly hair and you're intrigued, seriously go check this out. And this isn't sponsored at all, like these are just generally the products I love. Like, I just generally wear this every day. I can't imagine life without that curl cream now. Like, it would be such a frizzy life. But nonetheless, thank you for watching. I'll link as many other products down below, but if not, I'll just name them so you can then find them in store and that sort of thing. But yeah, let me know if there's anything you'd like me to test out in the future. Apart from that, thank you for watching. I will link all my social media down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah!